Hello everyone, welcome back to Mrs. Dre Food channel. I hope you are doing well. In today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make a very easy Ghanaian frozen yogurt, also called Fanyogo or super yogurt. This recipe is very easy and requires 2 ingredients. So for this recipe, you need some natural yogurt and some condensed milk. I am going to use fat-free yogurt because the condensed milk is already sweet enough. So very easy. Pour the yogurt into a container. Very easy. So you can either use 500 grams or 400 grams. And then add in 300 grams of the condensed milk. You can even use the whole can because a can is 397 grams. Okay, but it depends on how sweet you want it. And then mix the yogurt and the condensed milk. This is it. It's that simple. And then to make it easier for you to pour into the sachets, just pour it into a jug with a spout. It's going to be very easy for you. And then I also bought these sachets from Amazon, so it's very cheap. I think I got about 100 pieces, and it also comes with a small funnel, so it's very easy. So open the sachet and then put the little funnel inside and make sure you hold it very tightly, just as you see here on the video. And that's it. You can start pouring the yogurt. So the quantity depends on you. You might want big sachets, you might want small ones, you might want middle-sized ones. I did, I think, middle-sized yogurt bags. So as I said, you do it as you please. Maybe do it smaller if you have got small children to make it easier for them. You can also use different flavors if you like. So this is the basic one, the natural one, but they have vanilla, strawberry, anything you like. Alright guys, so I've got my yogurt in my bag and now I am going to make a little knot at the top. Okay, so make sure it is well closed because you don't want the milk to be coming out of it. All right, so just as easy as it is, this is it, and then it is ready to go into the freezer. Okay, so I'm just going to show you one more time here. So put the spot into the sachet and then carefully pour the yogurt in it. Very easy method and very easy recipe, as you can see. Alright friends, so I have got all my yogurt sachets ready and I'm going to put it in the freezer, at the top of the freezer, overnight. So I'll see you back soon. Hey guys, so look at this perfect frozen yogurt, guys. Look at this. Are you not tempted to eat this? Right, it is amazing, and to be honest with you, I tasted it and I couldn't stop. It's really addictive. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Try it, you are going to love it, but do not eat it too much or else you spend some time in the bathroom. Okay, so thank you all for watching and I'll see you next time for another recipe. Bye and stay blessed.